procedure I had done on a Tuesday morning were 2 implants, 2 extractions from bad teeth, implants, and capped back on. But over the weekend I broke a tooth that both was a root canal and a crown, and I had to have emergency come in here, so I came in on 7 o'clock early on the morning and ended up doing both of the teeth at the same time. Well, I was eating a normal piece of meat or something, and I felt a tooth kind of pop, my front eye tooth. And I know from prior experience, it usually means the crown is broken and gonna fall off. I was waiting for it to fall off, it didn't fall off. I wiggled it, and it felt like a tooth when you're a child, you can wiggle back and forth, but it won't come out. So I concluded that I might have broken the tooth. Well, when I first came in for my surgery at 7 o'clock, first of all, there were a lot of people here already. And the place was humming and buzzing with, I guess, all staff, but very bright, cheerful, friendly people. And I looked around and I go, this is a pretty professional place. This isn't your normal dentist office. This is something else going on here. One of the most impressive things about this practice is they do everything in-house. I was surprised to learn that after you extract it and put the post in, that they would actually make my next set of teeth here. Usually you go back to your dentist, you get a temporary crown, and then you get a permanent later. But they handled all that in-house. So they have some equipment here, I don't know what it is, and they have a dedicated technician. But that goes with the whole process. They have the latest equipment. They're people, when you walk in, you know they know what they're doing. They've been trained. Nobody's standing around asking, what's next, doc? So I complimented him at the time that his people seemed to be very well trained and organized, because it went off boom, 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 no issues. And very nice that I got it all done one place, one day.